In this video, I will show you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome so you can access your favorite websites faster. To get started with this, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And before we do anything, we need to set this up correctly. So if you come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots to open up this menu. And from here, you want to come down and click onto settings. Now, once you've done this, come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto search engine and make sure this is set to Google. If it's not, click on to change, make sure it's selected to Google, and then click the set as default button. Now, once that's done, to add a shortcut, what you want to do is open a new tab. So if you come up to the top, click the button to open a new tab, and you're going to notice it's going to open up Google. Now, under Google, you're going to see a button to add shortcut. Give that a click, and this way you can come to add your shortcut. So what you can do is name your shortcut. So for example, let's take my YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is just call it my YouTube channel. And then what you need to do is paste the website address into the URL box underneath. So to do that, come across to whatever website you're wanting to add as a shortcut, come up to the address bar, and what you want to do is copy the address. So just simply right click onto copy, and then what you can do is come back to your shortcut window and paste that into the box here. Once you've done that, click done at the bottom, and as you can see, we've now added that shortcut. So if we give it a click, it's going to take us directly to the website you've added as a shortcut. So that's how to add shortcut in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.